Hello, dear friends! Today we're exploring one of the most popular and versatile foods in the world, the potato. From fries and chips to soups and curries, potatoes are everywhere. But beyond their taste, do you know the surprising health benefits hidden inside this humble vegetable? Let's dive in. Potatoes are packed with carbohydrates, your body's main source of energy. They also provide vitamin C, which boosts immunity. Rich in vitamin B6, essential for brain health. Contain potassium, which helps control blood pressure. A good source of fiber, especially with the skin on, aiding digestion. 1. Energy and strength. Energy and strength. Potatoes are excellent for athletes and active people because they give quick, sustainable energy. Unlike sugary snacks, their complex carbs release energy slowly, keeping you full and active longer. 2. Heart and blood pressure. Health. Heart and blood pressure health. Thanks to high potassium and low sodium, potatoes help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. This reduces the risk of strokes and heart problems. 3. Digestive health and immunity. Digestive health and immunity. The fiber supports gut health and smooth digestion. Plus, vitamin C in potatoes strengthens immunity and keeps the skin glowing. Usage tips. Eat potatoes boiled or baked instead of fried to keep them healthy. Always keep the skin on for extra fiber and nutrients. Combine with vegetables, herbs, and spices for a balanced meal. Avoid eating green or sprouted potatoes. They can be toxic. Where to find potatoes? Potatoes are one of the most widely available foods in the world. You'll find them in every grocery store, market, and even in your backyard garden if you grow them. Affordable, versatile, and packed with nutrition. Potatoes truly deserve a place in every kitchen. Remember! So, the next time you eat a potato, remember, it's not just tasty, it's also powerful fuel for your body. If you enjoyed these amazing potato facts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for more exciting food knowledge, visit my channel. See you in the next video.